Hi everyone, Mrs Leigh here. We're really excited for our Science Week next week. As part of this, we're going to run a really special science competition. On our school website you'll find some videos of experiments that myself and Mrs Leigh have done, and we'd like you to have a go at some of the experiments. Some are suited to our younger scientists from nursery and reception, and some are suited for our older scientists in Year 1 and Year 2. Our challenge to you, Temple Moor, is to pick one of the experiments and to have a go at it yourself. Nursery super scientists, you might take some photographs of before and after your experiment, maybe with a little bit of speech describing what you think might happen and maybe what you found out. Reception super scientists, you might draw a simple picture of your experiment, and you might use what you already know to predict what might happen. You might like to draw a picture of what happened after the experiment, or maybe start to record what you found using a simple table with a grown-up's help. Year 1 super scientists might use what they already know to predict what might happen. They might take photos before, during and after their experiment and create a simple table to record what they've done. They could draw what has happened in their experiment and label it. Year 2 super scientists might decide to plan their own experiment based on what they already know. You might make quite detailed predictions, carry out your experiment and take measurements as you go. Year 2 scientists, you might use your data or information that you've gathered to record in a labelled diagram or maybe a table or a chart. Year 2 super scientists, you might use what you found to ask even more questions and maybe plan another experiment. You can send your entry for our science competition via Seesaw or bring it into school to share with your class. There'll be a special science prize given to each year group, with Mr Hodgson choosing the winners. All entries do need to be in school by the end of Science Week, which is Friday the 18th of March, and the winners will be announced the following week. We can't wait to see your experiments, Temple Moor. Happy investigating and good luck!